back to Season 2 of the Rebeltech series. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence, specifically a tool called Stable Diffusion. Buckle up because it's gonna be a wild ride. Now, before we dive in, I want to address the elephant in the room, AI. Some of you might be scared, thinking AI is here to steal your jobs. Let me tell you something. AI won't take your job away, but a person using AI will. Think about it this way. Calculators replace abacuses, and computers replace typewriters, yada yada. Those who embrace the new technology thrive, while those who resisted got left behind. This is where Stable Diffusion comes in. It is a text-to-image AI tool that lets you create incredible visuals from simple descriptions. Imagine describing a dragon soaring through a fiery sky, and Stable Diffusion brings it to life in seconds. Pretty cool, right? Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is Stable Diffusion for? Well, the possibilities are endless. Artists can use it to create stunning artwork, designers can use it to mock up ideas, and everyday people can use it to unleash their creativity. But Stable Diffusion isn't just for artists and designers. It has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, from education and healthcare to marketing and entertainment. Now, I'm not saying AI is perfect. My animations on the YouTube Shorts section might not be masterpieces yet, but I'm learning and improving every day. And that's the key here. Adaptation. The future belongs to those who embrace new technologies and learn to use them to their advantage. So in 2024, I'm taking a stand and demystifying Stable Diffusion with an idiot's guide for everyone. There are people out there who fear AI, who see it as a threat. But I see it as an opportunity, a chance to unleash human potential in ways we never thought possible. So are you ready to join me in this journey? Are you ready to embrace AI in the new world of technology? Subscribe for more episodes and follow me on my YouTube for updates. Remember, it's not about the technology, it's about how we use it. Let's make the future a bright one. Remember, the future belongs to those who are prepared. So let's embrace the change, explore the possibilities, and use AI not as a threat, but as a powerful tool for creative expression. We'll be back with another episode of Rebeltech series.